Ever been stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire or dead battery? The right emergency roadside kit can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major crisis. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 emergency roadside kits that can help you handle unexpected car troubles. Check the description below for links to all the products mentioned. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit comes packed with essentials for roadside emergencies. This kit includes a portable air compressor, jumper cables, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. The jumper cables are 12 feet long with 6-gauge wire, providing 500 amps of power to jumpstart your vehicle even in cold weather. The kit contains a 24-piece first aid kit for basic wound care. You'll find bandages, dressings, plasters, and even a foil blanket for keeping warm while waiting for assistance. The portable air compressor helps inflate flat tires, which is particularly useful when you're far from service stations. One thing to appreciate about this kit is its compact design. It doesn't take up much space in your trunk, leaving room for other items. The materials are decent quality for the price point, though not professional grade. Keep in mind, some users report the kit is somewhat heavy to carry around. And if you're expecting professional-grade tools, you might be disappointed. The air compressor works, but it's slower than standalone models. The first aid kit covers basics, but lacks supplies for more serious injuries. For the price, it offers good value with essential tools that could help in common roadside situations. If you're looking for an entry-level emergency kit without breaking the bank, this is a practical option to consider. At number 4, the Kitgo Car Emergency Kit stands out with its premium roadside assistance essentials. This kit features 34 car tools and 38 medical supplies, making it more comprehensive than most competitors. The 8-gauge jumper cables are heavier duty than what you typically find in emergency kits, offering better conductivity when jump-starting your vehicle. The kit includes practical tools like a snow shovel, hand crank flashlight, and tire pressure gauge. It also comes with items you don't often see, such as a screwdriver set, a life hammer for breaking windows, and a 2-in-1 compass whistle. The reflective vest increases your visibility if you need to exit your vehicle at night. The storage bag deserves mention. It's made from water-resistant materials with reflective strips, adding an extra safety element. The dual material construction with upper leather and nylon fabric makes it more durable than the typical nylon bags. Here's the thing about this kit. While it contains many items, some tools like the pliers and screwdrivers are smaller than standard sizes, limiting their functionality for more demanding tasks. The medical supplies cover basics, but lack specialized items you might need in serious situations. If you want a kit that addresses a wide range of scenarios without taking up too much space, this is worth considering. Just don't expect professional-grade tools. For average drivers who want comprehensive coverage for common roadside emergencies, it offers good value and peace of mind. Moving to number 3, the Thrive Emergency Car Kit offers 105 essential pieces housed in a square 600D nylon canvas bag. This kit balances quantity and quality better than most others on the market. The 8-foot jumper cables feature 8-gauge wire with secure locking clamps, providing reliable power transfer when jump-starting vehicles. The kit includes practical items like an escape hammer, tire pressure gauge, bungee cords, and an ice scraper. Actually, the 66-piece first aid kit that comes with this package is more substantial than what competitors offer, with supplies organized for quick access during emergencies. You don't just get quantity with this kit. The tools are made to withstand rough handling. The water-resistant bag protects contents from moisture and damage, keeping everything functional when you need it most. The square design allows for easier organization compared to traditional duffel-style bags. And I do appreciate that this kit comes in 6 different style options, making it suitable for various preferences while maintaining the same tool quality across all versions. If you're looking for stronger criticism, the jumper cables could be longer for certain vehicle positions, and some of the plastic components might not hold up to extreme temperatures. The first aid kit, while comprehensive, contains many small bandages rather than more versatile supplies. For road trips and daily driving, this kit provides essential tools without excessive bulk, offering good value for the price point. At number 2, The first secure car emergency kit stands out with its focus on durable performance. This kit features 10-foot 8-gauge jumper cables made from copper-clad aluminum, providing 300 amps of power, substantially better than the thinner cables found in budget kits. The 11.8-foot tow strap can handle up to 10,000 pounds, making it capable of towing most passenger vehicles. What makes this kit different is its portable air compressor, which can save you from waiting for roadside assistance with a flat tire. The 7-piece tire repair kit allows for temporary fixes to get you to a service station. The window breaker and seatbelt cutter provide crucial tools if you find yourself in an accident. Absolutely worth noting is that this kit avoids useless filler items that many competitors include to inflate their piece count. Instead, it focuses on high-quality essential tools that serve practical purposes during actual emergencies. Keep in mind, several customers report issues with the air compressor's reliability and durability. It might work initially, but can fail after limited use. The first aid kit contains 48 pieces, which is smaller than some competitors and might not cover all medical needs during extended trips. If you prioritize quality over quantity, this kit deserves serious consideration. The focus on durable, functional tools rather than inflated piece counts means you're getting components that are more likely to work when you need them most. For drivers who want reliability in emergency situations, this represents good value despite the higher price point. Our #1 best emergency roadside kit for cars is the Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. This veteran-owned company created a kit that combines practicality with quality materials. The digital auto air compressor with auto shutoff function stands out immediately. Simply preset your desired tire pressure, and it stops automatically when reached. This feature prevents overinflation problems common with manual compressors. The 12-foot 8-gauge jumper cables provide sufficient length to connect vehicles in various positions, with 300 amp capacity suitable for most passenger vehicles. You know those annoying situations where cables don't reach? This solves that problem. The kit includes unique items like cable ties, a rain poncho, and a space blanket, addressing comfort and survival needs beyond basic mechanical issues. The 108-piece first aid kit is among the most comprehensive available in roadside kits, covering everything from minor cuts to more serious injuries. If you travel in various conditions, the inclusion of both warm and wet weather emergency items makes this kit more versatile than competitors that focus solely on mechanical tools. Absolutely worth mentioning is that while this kit receives positive reviews overall, some customers report issues with the air compressor failing after limited use. The tools are decent quality, but not professional grade, which is a common trade-off in comprehensive kits at this price point. For drivers wanting complete roadside emergency coverage with above-average quality components, this kit delivers excellent value and practical features that could make a real difference in emergency situations. These emergency roadside kits can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major ordeal when you're stranded. The link to check out these products is in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more vehicle accessory reviews.